Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. Just a quick little video lesson on exponents. Not really scientific notation for this one, so don't worry about that right now. But in general, for any number x and any whole number n, so if we see something like this, x, and then we got this little n, that's our exponent right here. Alright, that little number in the top right, and the x is what we call the base. And what this tells us is n, the exponent, tells us how many times the base is being multiplied by itself. So that kind of brings us to what exponents are, right? So mathematicians, they got tired of writing things over and over. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times something like this, right? So they said, well, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Let's write this in a simpler format. So they said, well, 2 is being multiplied by itself. And then you can see right here that it's being multiplied by itself 7 times. So they said, we'll just say, we'll give it an exponent. We'll call it an exponent. Some people call it a power. This would be read 2 to the power of 7. So again, the 7 tells us how many times that the 2 is being multiplied by itself. And so if you see something like this in the future, maybe 3 to the power of 4, again, the 4 just tells us how many times the 3 is being multiplied by itself. So we'd have 3 times 3, that's 2, 3, and 4 3's being multiplied together by themselves. Now you can put this into a calculator. On a calculator, some of you maybe have to look for the power button. For example, if we had 4 to the power of 5, then on the calculator you would push 4. And then for some of you, you're going to have to look for a button that looks like this. And usually if you have an x squared button, which will square anything for you, it's usually close to that button, but I can't guarantee that. After you push that button, you'd push the power, which is 5, and then you'd push equal or enter, whatever it is on your calculator. So that's just a little basics on what exponents are. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, you guys.